So everything is recorded, right?
On the show, on the...
Yeah. You always record the show?
We record the show, yeah. Not always, I mean, like, sometimes things come up.
So you don't put every show?
Yeah, they try to put every show up. Yeah. Okay. But sometimes, you know, they just put one up. But eventually the other one will come back up. And... yeah, yours will be up because they're starting a new way of recording. So as soon as our show's done, it will be uploaded onto SoundCloud, which would be nice. Yeah.
What have you guys been filming?
No, I've just been filming on my phone. That's how international I am. Yeah, my N95. Yeah.
I know what you're going to ask, or am I wrong?
No, you're correct, you're correct. You have it?
I'll get started right away.
Okay, fantastic. No need to toast the bread.
Sorry?
No need to toast the bread.
You want to just cold one?
Yeah.
So roast vegetables.